look at this delicious goodness. And it is ready. Not the best looking meat, but it is absolutely delicious. So let me carve it up and show you how it's eaten. Alright guys, so you remember how I told you that our pork is going to make 3 dishes? You have seen the roast pork being plated up. It's absolutely delicious. And then we have the leftovers. So I actually shredded some of pork there. You can see we've got ham, we've got cheese. It's actually Swiss cheese. We've got buns and we've got the dill cucumber. So what we're going to make now is some Cuban sandwiches. First, we have to put the mustard on the bun. I am going to spread it there evenly, don't you worry. Alrighty, so the mustard is nicely spread, and then going to put the ham. Okay, we have that beautifully spread. Next thing that we're going to put on here is our shredded pork. Okay, as bits and bobs were falling down, I decided to put it on the little toasty machine instead. The next thing that we put on here is the cheese. It's gotta be the Swiss cheese, I'm assured. And the last bit that we're putting on here are the pickles. I actually have chosen the Polish dill cucumbers. And then we put on the top, we close the toaster. So the cheese is now melting. We have our Cuban sandwich.